Hello and welcome back to Nexodus Tutorials. We've covered how to create new records. Now, let's have a look at how you can access them in version 3. If we take resources as an example, clicking on any of the resources opens a panel that lets you edit the resource's details and settings. Each record includes a set of tabs that help you navigate between the different sections and settings available. Version 3 also lets you access records for connected items in just a click. For example, the Benefits tab lets you see and edit any of the benefits added to the product. If you click on any of them, another panel pops up to let you manage this specific benefits details. You can close any record by clicking on the left-hand side of the page, the close button at the bottom of the record, or the cross icon in the top right corner. If you use keyboard commands, you can also close any record by pressing the Escape key in PC or Mac. If you close a record with any unsaved changes, a window will pop up asking you if you want to keep editing the record or leave without saving your edits. You can also move between records more easily and pick up where you left off. Closing any opened record will take you back exactly where you were on the panel. Let's take invoices as an example. If you edit an invoice on the third page of the panel, closing the invoice record will take you back to the same page and spot. Check out the next video to learn more about record navigation in the latest version of the admin panel.